Hi guys, back with Bassingtons. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all keeping safe. Today I'm going to tell an interesting story about a friend of mine who purchased this watch on my recommendation, if I may say so. But it's something I really want to talk about, investment pieces. I've had a lot of flack, people saying I'm critical of people buying watches for investment pieces. I'm not. I do think that a watch should be worn and not used as an investment piece. However, I do respect that people can put the money not just in stock shares, ISAs, say paper assets, they could put it into gold, into jewellery and into watches. And one of the things I've been critical of is everybody was focused on one particular brand, which shall remain nameless. And a few years ago, I talked about this watch whilst out with a group of friends, clay pigeon shooting. And I said, this is the watch to buy. This is the watch that's going to shoot up in value and you will be able to get a discount on it. So without further ado, I'll unbox it. And there it is. It is the Vacheron Constantin Overseas blue dial. Now, what's really interesting, the story about this watch, is that my friend was away on a city break and he phoned up from the jewelers and I just returned home and he said they've actually got one of these Vacheron Constantin blue dial overseas in this jewelry shop. And he also said they had a Hulk in, a brand new Hulk, and they wanted £15,000 for the Rolex Hulk. And this was a list price of £18,000. This was in December 2019. And he phoned me up with the advice, which do I buy? I told him to buy the Vacheron, but I made a few phone calls as well. And it took me about 20 minutes, and I phoned him back up and I said, bid £15,400 for this watch, to which the response was, are you sure? Yes. Are you sure this watch will make me money and not the Hulk? To which I responded, yes. So he phoned back about an hour later and he got the watch for £15,450. He's just reinsured this watch to the value of £36,000. And that's the point of the story. There are other brands out there. There are other watches by other brands where you will make a far greater return. Had he bought that Rolex Hulk for £15,000 that was for sale in the same shop, he would not get his £15,000 back. Stay safe and stay tuned.